Experiencing the updating personal details have failed error on Mint Mobile? This frustrating issue affects thousands of users trying to update their billing address, payment method, or contact information. As of August 2025, this remains one of the most common technical issues affecting both iOS and Android users. The good news is that this usually points to server-side problems rather than issues with your device. The root causes typically involve 5 main technical issues: server synchronization delays, session timeouts, data validation conflicts, cache corruption, and network connectivity problems. Now let's fix this problem with immediate solutions that have a 70 to 80% success rate. First, we'll clear the app cache and data. For Android users, go to Settings, then Apps, find Mint Mobile, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. For iOS users, the process is simpler but more drastic. Uninstall the Mint Mobile app completely, then reinstall it from the App Store. If you're using a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. You can find this option in your browser's Settings menu under Privacy or History. Next, try the Force Close and Restart method. Close the app completely, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart it and attempt your update again. Finally, try switching your connection method. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. This helps rule out network connectivity issues. These immediate fixes have a success rate of 70 to 80%. Try them in order, and you'll likely resolve the error quickly. If these don't work, don't worry. There are additional advanced solutions available. When immediate fixes don't resolve the updating personal details error, these advanced solutions provide more comprehensive approaches to get your Mint Mobile account working properly. The most effective advanced solution is switching from the mobile app to a web browser. This bypasses many app-specific issues that cause update failures. Another crucial advanced technique is updating your information one field at a time. This staged approach prevents system overload and reduces the chance of synchronization errors. Proper data formatting is essential for successful updates. Phone numbers should include country codes, email addresses must be correctly formatted, and addresses should match Postal Service standards. Prevention is key to avoiding these errors in the future. Update your information during off-peak hours, particularly between 6 and 8 a.m. Eastern Time when server load is lowest. If all troubleshooting steps fail, Mint Mobile's customer service can manually update your account information. Chat support averages 15 to 20 minutes wait time, while phone support is typically 10 to 15 minutes. Looking ahead, Mint Mobile has announced plans for a major app overhaul in late 2025 to early 2026. This update will include improved server synchronization, better error handling, and enhanced data validation to prevent these issues from occurring.